All morning I had the garage open. I had some fans going, drying it out. I had the drum fan and the barrel fan there in here. I had the doors open and shit. But I don't know if the dehumidifiers are going to work. So I'm going to fire these up to see if they do. This Edison might actually go down to the basement because I might need this down there. So try that. And then we also have the Martin. So I'm going to get this one plugged in and we'll see what happens. Sounds like we got a winner. Made sure to turn this one on first because it's the quieter of the two. I think this has a Samsung compressor in it. I can't remember. It's a recip. Should be R134A in this one, I think. Located the bucket, so I'll fire this up now. This is the Martin. Let's see if this one works. Quiet that down. Already cold. This is the best dehumidifier I own. So, glad that one's safe. This Montgomery Ward's a bit dirty, but I think it will run too. Both seem to be working. I might come back and do a checkup on these later, but this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching and keep the breeze.